day, viewers at home. Welcome to another lesson on probability. This one is on two dice. Well, the question says two dice are thrown at once. What is the probability of getting two numbers whose sum is a prime number, a perfect square, a composite number, a perfect cube, and a multiple of 4? Now, when you throw two dice, the way you are going to present the outcome, that is the outcome of the sum of what appears on the faces of the two dice, is going to be in tabular form like this. As we all know that in a die we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is for one die. Then the other one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the question is asking us to get sum, and sum, as we all know, means addition. So we are going to add them together one after the other. So we are going to add them together. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 5, 6. And 1 plus 6, 7. So the same way we'll add 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 2 and 3, 5, 2 and 4, 6, 7, 8. Same thing, 3 plus 1, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here you are, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So these are all the possible outcomes when we toss two dice. So now we are asked to find the probability of, out of all this, probability of getting a prime number. We know prime number is a number that can be divided by only one and itself. So the prime numbers, probability of getting a prime number here. The prime numbers in these outcomes are 2, 3, 5, and 7. 2, 3, 5, and 7. So we'll just look out for where we can get these numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So probability of getting a prime number is 15 over all the outcomes that we have in this table are 36. That is, this and this are the numbers on the faces of die. So all these ones inside the table are the outcomes. So if you count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So all the outcomes are 36. So we just reduce the fraction to the lowest form. 3 in 15, 5. 3 in 36 is 12. So this is the simplest form of the fraction. So the probability of getting a prime number is 5 over 12. Now the big question now, what's the probability of getting a perfect square? Like we've said in the previous lesson on probability, perfect square is a number whose square root is whole. That is, any number that you can express as a product of two other similar numbers, like 4. 4 is 2 times 2. So that means 4 is a perfect square. 1 is also perfect square because 1 is 1 times 1. So now if you look at this table, the perfect squares here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So probability of perfect square will be 7/36. We are going to leave 7/36 this way because 7 and 36 don't have common factors. Now the C question, probability of a composite number. What do we mean by a composite number? A number that can be expressed as a product of another or two other numbers aside one and itself. It's like opposite of prime. You know, prime number is only one and itself that can give us that number. But a composite number, let's say for instance 4. 4 is a composite because from 4 we can get 2 times 2. 6 is 2 times 3. 8 can be expressed as 2 times 4. So most of those numbers that are not prime are composite numbers. So now let's look at this table. The composite numbers here, we have 4, 1, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But 9 is 3 times 3. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 10 is 2 times 5. So 10 is composite. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. 12 is also composite. Because in 12 we can get 2 times 6. We can get 3 times 4. So we have 21 of them. So now probability of getting a composite number will be 21/36. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So if you reduce this fraction, 3 in 21 is 7, 3 in 36 is 12. The next one, probability of getting a perfect cube. A perfect cube, that is a number that can be gotten by multiplying a particular number by itself 3 times. Like 8. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. So 8 is a perfect cube. Another perfect cube we have is 27. 27 is 3 times 3 times 3. But we cannot get 27 from this table, since the highest value here is 12. So that means the only perfect cube in this table is 8. So we only look out for where we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So probability of a perfect cube is equal to 5/36. So we're also going to leave 5/36 like that because 5 and 36 don't have common factor. The last one is multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. Probability of getting a multiple of 4. The meaning of that is numbers that 4 can divide. So multiple of 4 is a number that can be divided by 4 without any remainder. 4 is a multiple of 4. 1, 2, 3. 8 is divisible by 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 12 is also a multiple of 4. So all of them are 9/36. So now if you divide 9 by 9, we have 1. Divide 36 by 9, we have 4. So the probability of getting a multiple of 4 will now be 1/4. So when you have any question on probability that involves 2 dice, these are, if you are asked for a question on a product, that means you multiply each of those values instead of adding. This one we added because the question says sum. But if it is product, it will be 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 3, 3. Like that. So each of these numbers will multiply all this. That is for if it is product, and this is for sum. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. God bless you.